What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Alicia. Please subscribe to become a part of the family.
Number one, put God first. Everything that I have is by the grace of God.
So y'all already know what this video is about. I ain't gotta get into much detail about it, but I got me some little notes so I can know what I'm gonna be talking about. I'm gonna give a shout out to Jazmynrenae. Y'all, I'm gonna put her channel in the description down below, because when I tell y'all, I've been binge watching videos about, the camera, came across her video, and now I'm binge watching her videos. So basically, y'all, how I found her channel is because she was actually recording a video about the ZV-1 camera that I'm supposed to be getting right now. So she was recording a video on it, and that's how I basically started watching her videos. So be sure to subscribe to her channel, because y'all missing out. Link is in description. This is the ZV-1 camera, y'all. I have not received this camera yet. It's supposed to be coming Monday. Today is Friday. So I'm geeked. I'm big boy happy. I'm be telling y'all the reason on why I invested in trying to get this camera and stuff. The rest of the equipment coming Thursday. So this video might not be out until the 26th, to be real. This is actually my first camera, y'all. My very first camera. I'm geeked. I'm gonna tell y'all the reason on why I even wanted this camera in general. I honestly thought it would be better to just invest in getting this camera like right now, so I don't have to worry about getting it later. Like, to be real, I don't want to be worrying about getting something later. Like, I'm better off with just getting it now, like, honestly. Also, this is also a birthday gift to myself, because my birthday is March 31st, if y'all did not know. I just wanted to give myself something for my birthday, because I don't be doing nothing for my birthday. And this gonna be the highest gift that I never actually got myself a birthday gift before. So this is gonna be like a really big birthday gift for myself. Like, and I never had nobody else pay me a big birthday gift either. Not this amount of money. This camera costed $888. Well, actually it costed $700 and something, but with the equipment, like with the stuff that I needed to get as well with it, then it cost $888 total, like this. So actually, y'all, it ended up turning out to be $936 total, like, and that's why I really wanted to get it now. So that's when later on in the future, I ain't gotta worry about getting no camera or nothing like that. My phone might jank up or something like that. You never know. Not only that, this whole storage thing with my camera, it really be tweaking me out, because it be talking about low storage, you need to pay for storage. Like, I'm not finna do that. I'm really not finna do that. And also, when I'm uploading my videos to YouTube, okay, right now I'm recording this and it looks so crispy clear. It look good, but when I upload it to YouTube, it be looking all, it don't be looking the way that it was looking when I was recording it. I don't like that at all. People been saying that this camera specifically is beginner friendly for new content creators, which I am. God bless the Lord for that. And it's good for like vlogging and stuff. And me, I want to do a lot of vlogging. I already was telling y'all some stuff that I had planned on doing, but I never ended up doing it because things ended up going sideways. But don't get me wrong, I am going to be vlogging. I definitely want to be vlogging and stuff like that, because this channel is really all about like my journey and stuff like that in general. So that includes vlogging and things that I would do on a daily basis. You feel what I mean? It's a nice, small, compact little camera, and I'm feeling that, because a lot of people I've been watching, a lot of people say that they don't really like walking around with a huge camera, and I could feel them on that. I wouldn't want to walk around with a huge camera either. It's a nice little small compact camera. And I'm gonna let y'all gonna see all the details. And I would also like to use my phone without having to record on my phone as well. Like, I want to be able to not have to pause the video in order for me to use my phone. Like multitasking with different things and stuff like that. I also like to use my phone and stuff for certain stuff. Yeah, those are the basic reasons on why I chose to get this camera right now. If y'all investing in getting this camera, the money, I feel like it's gonna be worth it. The camera quality, all of that. I just feel like it'd be a good camera based on the videos that I've been watching. I've been thinking about this so strongly because at first I was just like, I don't know if I'm finna do this, like for real. And then I was like, girl, just do it. Just do it. And Jazmynrenae, I tell you, she is the one who like also encouraged me to just do it. Because, you know, she said invest in yourself, you know? Invest in yourself. Don't be listening about what these people talking about. If you want to get a camera right now, get a camera right now. You don't got to get a camera right now if you don't need to. But if you want to, go get you a camera. And I wanted me a camera for these specific reasons that I just gave. I'll see y'all in the next piece. Y'all, I could not wait. I could not wait. Okay. So, the package came early. The package came early. It literally just came. Literally. So y'all, this video is not sponsored. This is my reaction to opening my camera. More details will be displayed in the next clips, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm so geeked, y'all. So I'm gonna unbox it right now because I can't wait. I can't wait. And then I got this camera storage card reader as well that I'm opening. Bro, I'm so freaking happy, dude. Like, he over here asleep, so I'm trying to be quiet. I feel like he gonna end up waking up anyway. So of course we got the little instruction stuff. So like right here, they got like a QR code that you can scan, and they got other accessories for, you know, the thing. This a little manual, but y'all, I told y'all I was already binge watching all them videos. Like, I don't think I need no manual, but I keep it just in case. Okay, so y'all, this is that windscreen, the windscreen, to block out, of course, the wind. They call it a dead cat. But yes, y'all, I got the white one. You got the little charger piece. Y'all, I'm so freaking happy because I paid so much money for this dang on camera. So here's got a little battery, and I actually have a memory card coming, and I have 3 other batteries coming, and a little box thing to charge all the batteries because this battery dead. For the final reveal, we got the camera. Dude, when I was looking at the box, I was like, oh my gosh, bro, the camera is so freaking like, the camera is so like small, but I'm holding it in my hands now. It seems pretty decent. I got it backwards, but bro, it's the fact that I'm even holding it right now, dude. This is like my real reaction, like no cap, like this is the fact that I was watching videos on it and I'm holding it. I can't. Oh my goodness, bro. Like, I see this little piece right here. That's where you can hook up like something to go in there and put it around your wrist or something. And I actually want that, but you're probably not gonna get it right now. So this thing goes, I guess, slide in here or something. So just slide it in there. You want that? Y'all, I'm not even gonna put the battery in here because I know this battery dead, but maybe I can because I could charge it. We'll just place it in there. Put it this way. There we go. Lock it back. I'm gonna keep everything in the box, like, okay. And then the last thing that I have for today is the card reader. The card reader camera storage sticker. I just woke up, so like, and it's like, I don't even know what time it is. It's like, I don't know, but this how it's gonna look straight out the package. I'm gonna keep this in the box. But y'all, I'm gonna see y'all in the next clip. I'm so happy I got my camera. Peace.
Cause I'm tired of the fake love. Show me what you made of. Boy, make me believe. If it's meant to be, it'll be, it'll be. If it's meant to be, it'll be.
What is up, y'all? So this is how the Sony ZV-1 camera look, the front. And then we have the wind screen to block out the wind. And then we also, I'm gonna take this off of here actually, and we have the cashew where we'll put that at, and then that's when we'll have the speaker, and then we'll have the rest of the buttons. Y'all forgive me, the camera was not focusing, but we got the mode, the on and off button, the record button, and then we also have the zoom in, zoom out, and then we also have the blur your background button. So that's everything that is located here on the back or the front. No, that's the back, but it wasn't focusing, so this is how the back of it would look. Then here on the side you got the HDMI where you will charge it, and then also you have the mic. And you also have the little part where you could attach to your arm. So y'all, the thing about this camera, when you first open up this camera, it will automatically like turn on. So it automatically turned on. That's me. And this is how the camera look while it's on and it's extended. This camera can also flip as well, so you can see yourself. And then, you know, put like that. As far as the settings, I do have a link in the description down below about the settings and how to set up your settings. So be sure to look at that link down in the description, because they'll let you know everything about how to set up your camera once you first purchase it. So here I'm just showing you guys that it automatically turns off once you close it. and automatically turns on when you open it. And yeah, this is the finishing product of the Sony ZV-1. This is where you'll put your SD card at, and where you will also put your battery. I got the 128 gigabytes. And then, you know, that's the battery. As far as the batteries, I would recommend you guys to get the pack of batteries, because them batteries die pretty dang on quick. And I'm also showing you guys where me putting it on my tripod as well. That's where you can put your tripod at, and that's how it looks on my tripod. Y'all go purchase y'all a Sony ZV-1. It's definitely worth it. So you guys, right now I am currently recording on the Sony ZV-1 camera. This is how it would look. In the last clips, I already showed you guys how it looked versus my iPhone and the Sony ZV-1. And this is also how the audio sound as far as the Sony ZV-1. This camera, it has 4K quality. I already set up my settings and everything, so everything will be linked in the description down below. I have a video as far as the settings. If you have this camera, or if you are investing in getting this camera, then I have the link down below for you to set up your settings. And it might be some little things that you may or may not want to use. Like for instance, there's a beauty effect mode, and I typically don't want to use the beauty effect mode, so I keep that off specifically. I do recommend within the settings that you guys use the high quality mode so that your phone doesn't overheat. I actually watched previous videos about the Sony ZV-1 before I had got it, that the camera will overheat sometimes, but that's only because it's automatically set to standard mode, and you have to put it on high mode so it does not overheat. This camera also has product showcase mode. Hold up something and it will clearly do what it do, you know what I mean? You see that? You see that? It do what it do. You ain't gotta hold your hand over the camera to hold, you know, you ain't gotta hold your hand over the camera. You just put the product in front and it will do it. And as you guys can see, my showcase mode is clearly on. So depending on how I like the quality of the camera, and I upload it to YouTube, then it just really depends on if I'm going to get a wide lens for this camera. I don't really know, because they also have that in the settings that you can put it on wide within the settings, and all of this will be linked in the description down below within that one video that I link in the description. I do recommend for this camera getting like a little mini light that you could put on your cashew. When you're recording in the dark, you know, you want to be able to see everything and stuff like that. So I do recommend that for this camera as well, because it does not do very well in the dark. Only con that I have about this camera, at first it's no longer a con anymore, but what I did have as a con and would recommend highly that you guys do is invest in getting the battery case with the 3 extra batteries, so that if your camera dies, then you can just pop another battery in, because the camera that it comes with, after you charge it, you can charge it, it'll be fully charged, and 20 minutes later it will die. I typically believe that the ones that come in the 3-pack, I typically believe that it lasts way longer than the original one that you are provided once you first get the camera, and it'll be very useful for when your camera does die, and you know, you just pop it in there, you ain't gotta worry about nothing. So I think I done covered all the basics about the Sony ZV-1. If you guys like this camera and planning on investing in this camera, or have any questions, please let me know down below in the description, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. I will be now using this camera specifically to record on in general. So I hope that you guys like this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you guys for watching. See y'all in my next video.